What I'm going to cover today will be the software R using RStudio as its interface, and I'm going to cover something a little bit more intermediate, which describes storing values in some integer and basically what's the concept of vectors and indices, or indexes, sorry. So first thing that we want to do is let's store some values in X. So we'll concatenate a few values, let's say 40, 22, 35, 78, and 100. So now as we see, if we pull back X, it gives us the numbers we said in X. You can also check out some properties of X. So how many numbers do we have in X? We call up the function length, and it gives you 5. And then we can also say, okay, so let's multiply X by 2. So what would that do? That would actually take every value in X and apply this function. So it's sort of looping around. So taking the first times 2, second times 2, third times 2, fourth and fifth. What we'll get basically is the outcome of that function. We can always store that in a different function, but in this case, let's just keep it as is. Now, each value at X has an index. What means is that we know that 84, let's look here. So 40, 22, 35, 78, and 100, each one has an index number starting from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means that if we look at X and we want to look at a specific index of X, we have to use square brackets. And then let's say we want to look at the third index of X, which means you'll pull up 35, which is 1, 2, 3, the third index. But we can also look at other options. So if we look at X and we say we want all the values that are larger than 35, what we will get, we will have to specify X is larger than 35. We will get only 3 values, which are 40, 78, and 100. As you can see, 40, 78, and 100 are only values larger than 35. Now we can also look, okay, so what if we do X larger than 35? We will get sort of a true-false response. It says true, false, false, true, true. So it gives us the index, meaning the first value, index 1, was true because 40 is larger than 45, and so on. So just look at the difference between square brackets and no square brackets. So we'll stop here, and then the next cover will be a little bit using some math with indexes. Thank you.